Are you just starting your witchcraft journey and being overwhelmed by all the information out there? Breathe, you're not alone. Today I'm sharing my top 10 things that every beginner witch should know, and it's all the things I wish somebody had told me 50 years ago. I'm Lady StarFire, and I'm a teacher of the old ways and have been for almost 4 decades. If you're new to the path, welcome. This is a safe space to learn the truth about witchcraft. Forget the pressure to buy every wand, cauldron, deck, everything that you see everywhere you go. Your power comes from you, not your tools. Tools help you focus your energy, but your hands and your intention is more than enough. Granted, we all like our tools. Tools do have a use, and they're great on your altar, but true magic is actually energy work. You're responsible for everything you think, say, and do. You are responsible for your energy, and that's the true core of the craft. Witchcraft is a practice. Pagan is a path, and it's a way of life. You can be both or not. Not everyone likes to call themselves a witch. I do. I love it. But that's me. You don't have to. You can just be spiritual. You can just be pagan. You can just be whatever word you want to use for it, okay? You know, the most important thing is that you feel the calling to the craft. Before you go around casting spells for love, healing, money, you need to learn protection, cleansing, grounding, and shielding. These should be your first spells that you ever do. These will keep your magic and your spirit safe. Tradition is beautiful, but your path is personal. Trust your intuition. The spirit speaks to everybody differently. There's as many paths as there are people, but you have to learn from somebody. Starting off with small, consistent practice is better than trying to just jump into some big ritual that you're not ready for. Light a candle, journal your intentions. Always write down everything you're doing. Keep up with it so you can keep up with what works and what doesn't. It's always important. Always be sure to cleanse your space before you do anything, and sometimes even after, depending on what you're doing. But your magic builds with repetition. That's why we do chants like 3 times or more. Write down all of your experiences, whether it's your dreams, your spells, sigils that you do, your feelings about things. Write it all down. Keep up with what works and what doesn't. And what you're doing here is you're building a book of shadows of all your stuff, so that when you need something, you can go back and look and you know what worked and what didn't, so you don't make mistakes again. Social media is filled with misinformation. Y'all hear me talk about this all the time. Always trust direct experience, trusted teachers, and rooted traditions over trends. Trends don't belong in magic. Nature cycles, energy, seasons, and intuition. This is where your magic lives. Pay attention, because the world is always speaking. Paganism and witchcraft is a lifelong path. Be patient with yourself. Be curious. Allow the craft to unfold in its own time. You are in your becoming stage. If these foundations are calling to you and you want deeper guidance, I can help you. If you're ready to learn real foundation in witchcraft, the kind that keeps you safe, confident, and grounded, join me inside my A Year and a Day classes inside the platform school, and our community is called Sacred Legacy Builders. And in here, we will walk the old ways together, step by step. I really hope to see you in there, because I know you're dying to actually learn the true path. I have many students. I have taught so many over the years, and I have many now around the world. So it doesn't matter where you are, as long as you have internet, which you obviously do, you can take my classes, and I look forward to helping you walk down your path and learn what you need to do to get there. So until the next time, there should be a video popping up here, and I'll make a playlist just for this new series because there are more coming on this topic. So till the next time, have a wonderful day, stay safe, and blessed be.